I hope you're well and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. So today we are going to be making French toast with caramelized bananas. I've shared it before on my Instagram. It's a simple recipe, but it was a hit with you guys and I loved seeing your pictures. So if you've not tried it before, you're gonna have to try it now. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so what we'll need is a loaf of brioche, or you can just use a normal bread, thick slices, bananas, eggs, milk, sugar, cinnamon powder, butter, Nutella, and strawberries. And of course, I will list the exact measurements in the description box below. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've already cracked the eggs. Now in there, we're going to be adding in the milk. So in that goes. We're going to be adding a few tablespoons of sugar, so I'll add about 2 and a bit, and also the cinnamon powder. So just sprinkle that in there, and then we're just going to mix everything up. Make sure you mix it up nicely and properly. Okay, so we're going to start on our caramelized bananas, and this I think makes it your French toast really tasty. So we're going to take some of our butter. So I've got about 2 tablespoons approx of butter. So we're just going to put that and melt that in our preheated fry pan. And I'm just going to keep the heat on low. And then I've already sliced up our bananas. So once the butter's melted, we'll add that into the pan. And now we're ready to add them in. And also we're going to be adding in some sugar as well, and this is according to how sweet you want it. So let's just sprinkle over. So I've added about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then gently we're just going to mix this in there. Okay, and whilst our bananas are cooking, we're just going to start on our bread. Okay guys, so now what I've done is in another pan I've melted some butter, and then I've also sliced up the brioche bread, and I like them a little bit thick. So what we're going to do is dip this into our egg and milk mixture like this, and make sure you've got it coated all around like so. And then we're just going to fry them in here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fry it on each side for about 60 seconds or so. Just make sure they don't burn. So make sure you keep a check on that. Also with the bananas, what we're going to do is we're just going to flip them over. So let me just do that. And so what we're going to do is just make sure that we just turn these over carefully. We don't want to mush them all up. Okay, well I'm just going to flip these over. So hopefully they'll be nice and golden underneath. And that looks really nice. So the colour should be like this. And now we're ready to layer it up and serve. So what I've done is I've sliced up my strawberries and melted the Nutella as well. So now what we do is we just take a slice of our bread and place it there, and take our caramelized bananas and just place them on top of our slice. And you can be as generous as you want. So I'm going to add a few more bananas. And strawberries. And it's already looking so colourful, and it smells amazing too. And then melted Nutella. And who doesn't like Nutella? So I'm going to add a bit extra of this, of course. And it doesn't just finish there, guys, because we're extra over here. So we're also going to be adding, and on goes another slice of brioche. And again, we're going to repeat the same thing. So top it up with some bananas. You guys are going to love it and you're going to thank me later. And finish it off. Let's just finish these bananas off. Strawberries again. And then finish it off with more drizzled Nutella chocolate. You and your family are going to absolutely love it. Enjoy. And if you want to be even extra, guys, you can add a dollop of ice cream and some whipped cream as well, which I'm doing now. There you go, guys. I really hope you enjoy this French toast recipe and love making it as much as we do. Plenty more recipes, so do subscribe and don't forget to check out my Instagram for behind the scenes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.